Let's talk about triggers. Now, triggers are extremely important devices, and by themselves, though, they don't actually do anything. The whole point of the trigger is just to communicate with other devices. So the trigger by itself won't do anything, but once you link it to other devices, it can be used to do just about everything. So to set up triggers, basically, you're going to open up the settings and you're going to find the when triggered transmit on setting. You can set this to anything between 1 and 500, but for now we'll just set it on 1. But what this means is that you can then say, when this trigger gets triggered, it's going to send out like a bleep, or like it's calling all the devices that are listening for something to happen on channel 1. Think of it like a walkie-talkie, where if you're not listening for the right channel, then you're not going to hear it. But if you have a device that is set up to listen to this channel, then when this sends out a device, it'll make something happen. So just about every device has some sort of listening to channel, and a lot of devices, aside from triggers, also have the ability to transmit signals themselves. So a lot of devices act like triggers, but see, this activate when receiving from. The key word is receiving. So that's basically your listening channel. So if I set this to activate when receiving from channel 1, and this is set to channel 1, when this gets triggered, this will play. If I change this to channel 2, when this gets triggered, this will not play because this is set to channel 1. And that's the basics of triggers.